Hello. Hey guys. How do I look as a blonde? Cute. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video part of my 31 days of Halloween. This look right here is another look part of my Willy Wonka and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory series within my 31 days of Halloween. This is, can you guess?
Finito!
That's all?
That's all? Don't you know what this is?
My gum, it's gum.
Wrong! It's the most amazing, fabulous, sensational gum in the whole world.
What's so fab about it?
This little piece of gum is a 3-course dinner.
Bull. No, roast beef, but I haven't got it quite right yet.
I don't care.
Oh, I wouldn't do that. I really wouldn't.
So long as it's gum, then that's for me.
Me.
Dessert? Here it comes. Blueberry pie and cream. It's the most marvelous blueberry pie I've ever tasted.
Holy Toledo, what's happening to your face?
Cool it, Dad. Let me finish.
Yeah, but your face is turning blue. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
What are you talking about?
I told you I hadn't got it quite right yet.
You can say that again. Look what it's done to my kid.
It always goes wrong when we come to the dessert. Always.
Violet, what are you doing now? You're blowing up.
I feel funny.
I'm not surprised.
What's happening?
You're blowing up like a balloon.
Like a blueberry.
Would you roll the young lady down to the juicing room at once, please?
What for?
For squeezing.
I'm getting with you for this walk. It's the last thing I ever do. I got a blueberry for a daughter.
This is Violet's look from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I was inspired by a photo I saw either on Pinterest or just by Googling Violet. It's this one right here. I will give credit to who this beautiful girl is down below in the description, so make sure to check her out. I really love the way that the look came out, and this is what we got. And she has a gum in her mouth always. She's been chewing the same piece of gum for so long, which is so gross. I just put this in my mouth, FYI. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of me as a blonde. I don't know about the short hair, but I don't know. So this look is super easy and super simple to get, and if you would like to learn how to get it, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, this is a short one. We're ready to go. This is going to be basically a normal makeup tutorial, just a super simple look, really nothing on the eyes. I wanted the focus to really be on like the nose part of the makeup. So I'm just applying my primers, got my brows on already, and then for foundation I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, which is one of my faves. I'm just mixing 2 shades together to get my perfect shade. I'm then going to use the YSL concealer and blend that out. Set everything with a Charlotte Tilbury powder. And then, of course, bronzer, blush, all the goods. All the goods. With the blush, I did use a cream blush, and I did like put it all over like my nose area, and you'll see me go back with that same sponge a little bit later once we have like the blue on our face. I'm gonna add some highlighter, and then I did add the highlighter to my eyes, the inner corners, brow bone, the lid, and then the bronzer in the crease. I'm tight lining with a black liner from Mally Beauty, and then I am using the liquid liner called So Fine from Tarte, and then I use a Makeup Forever like kind of like skin tone color in my waterline. Then mascara from Tarte, and popped on some Ardell lashes. For the lip, I'm just lining it with the Thrive Cosmetics lip pencil, Too Faced lipstick, Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss, and now it's time for the real part of the show. So I'm gonna take all of these different blues from these palettes, and I'm just mixing it together I wish I would have made it a little bit more purple and a little bit more violet, but I feel like if you're going to, definitely start out with this dark blue first and then add some blue or purple to it. And this is it, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel right here. It's either here or here. And check out all my other Halloween videos right here. I have more Willy Wonka, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory videos coming. I'm super excited to share them with you. And I hope you guys really liked this one. Okay? Okay. Love you guys. I'll see you next time.